Here's the foundation of the ultimate motorcycle audio experience for Harley Davidson Road King motorcycles. A powerful, intelligent, and compact amplifier with digital signal processing. Technology developed jointly by Harley Davidson and Rockford Fosgate. Engineered to perform in the demanding motorcycle environment, this amplifier installs in the motorcycle saddlebag and connects with your mobile device via Bluetooth to play stored or streaming audio through Harley Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 speakers, which are sold separately. This amp cranks out 125 watts per channel to a Harley Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 speaker kit. You can install on the saddlebag lids, fairing lowers, or on a King Tour pack. This speaker and amplifier system is designed to be easy to set up and will turn your Road King motorcycle into a rolling concert hall. Go to harleydavidson.com or visit an authorized Harley Davidson dealer for complete installation details.